Welcome to the world of variables in Ansible. Think of them as little memory boxes that store data for automation magic. They make playbooks flexible and reusable, because let's be honest, nobody enjoys repeating the same steps manually. Variables can be defined in different places and help customize workflows to fit your exact needs. Buckle up, because mastering variables is your gateway to automation greatness. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Ansible variables are like sticky notes for automation. They store key information that can change depending on the task. With variables, your playbooks become adaptable, adjusting execution dynamically. Whether it's a server name or a file path, these little placeholders ensure your automation runs seamlessly. And don't worry, I'll guide you through defining, using, and mastering them. Defining variables in playbooks is like setting up pre-programmed instructions. They help guide automation like a well-trained assistant. By using the Vars section, you control how playbooks execute. You can hard-code values or pass them dynamically, giving you ultimate flexibility. Imagine telling Ansible exactly what to remember for each task. It's like being the director of an automation masterpiece. Ever wished your tasks could be smarter? Enter variables. Using double curly braces, you reference stored values to simplify configurations. This helps make tasks reusable and modular. No need for manual edits every time. Whether you're tweaking server settings or passing credentials, variables do the heavy lifting, letting you focus on designing efficient automation. Variables come in different shapes and sizes, like strings for text, lists for ordered values, and dictionaries for structured data. Choosing the right type makes automation a breeze. If variables were superheroes, strings would be the speedster, lists the organizer, and dictionaries the master planner. Pick wisely, and your automation will run like a well-oiled machine. Imagine running a task and not knowing what happened. Kind of like baking a cake without checking if it's rising. Register lets you store results from tasks so you can actually use them. Accessing these variables gives flexibility, and using debug helps you peek into their contents. Just don't ignore undefined values, or your automation might turn into a mystery novel. Templates make life easier. Instead of hard-coding values, you use variables to bring flexibility. Think of it like using placeholders in a birthday card. You can personalize it effortlessly. Formatting matters, or the output may look like a toddler's finger painting. Conditional logic adds magic, letting configurations adapt, just like a smart thermostat adjusting room temperature. Variable precedence is like deciding who controls the TV remote. It's all about hierarchy. Ansible has a defined order, and knowing it ensures that the right variable takes charge. If you need an override, just use a higher precedence source. It's like pulling rank in a debate. But watch out for conflicts. Undefined priorities can turn into chaos, like 5 people trying to order food and ending up with nothing. Variables should be clear, because nobody wants to decipher X123 at 2 a.m. Defaults are lifesavers, preventing nasty errors when values go missing. Security matters. Treat sensitive data like your Wi-Fi password. Keep it locked down. And avoid turning variables into a tangled mess. Nobody enjoys debugging something that looks like an unsolved puzzle. Debugging variables is like detective work, except instead of solving crimes, you're solving automation mysteries. The debug module lets you see what's happening behind the scenes. Checking values dynamically saves time, and knowing variable scope prevents conflicts. Ever tried 2 different remotes on the same TV? Logs are gold mines. Dig into them for hidden details and make troubleshooting a breeze. Mastering variables means smoother automation, fewer headaches, and more time for coffee breaks. Stick to best practices, and execution will be seamless. Dodge common pitfalls. Don't let messy variables slow you down. And remember, dynamic configurations make your playbooks smarter, like a self-driving car, but for IT workflows. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.